Hello and welcome to the lecture. So let's understand how do we download and install the bracket editor. So go search for bracket, then you'll find bracket.io. This is the logo of the bracket editor. Just click on the link, you'll go to brackets.io. You download the latest version. And once it is downloaded, then you can click on this downloaded version and then we'll install the software. Okay, so go to your downloads folder. You can find the brackets, double click it. It'll ask you where you want to install your software. Just choose the default location, say next and say install. Click finish. Okay, you can go search for brackets. What you can do is you can pin this to taskbar so it's always visible here, and then you can click to open this software. Well, you have successfully installed brackets, and that's all for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.